Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, Tuesday, December 27th. Looking at the markets, last week we did have a positive push in the stocks, up about 0.5% across the board, the E-mini S&P, the Dow, and the NASDAQ, but no 20K day in the Dow, still a bit away from that, so we'll have to wait and see. Crude oil closed at $53, so had a little bit of a gain on the week, as high as close in 52 weeks, so that's 1 year if you're keeping score there, at $53. And gold didn't go lower, bounced a little bit on a weekly basis, had higher lows than the week previous, so maybe there's start of something there. Currencies were extremely quiet ahead of the weekend holidays, so we had the dollar around the 103 level and the euro currency just below 105. So where do we stand here on Tuesday morning after that 3-day break? Well, we're getting a bit of a push here in the stock indexes. Right now up 9 in the E-mini S&P at 1169. 1173 is the record high there. The Dow futures, or the Dow right now, is up 45, about 25 points away from that 20,000 number, which would push the Dow up 15%. We're up 15% in 2016 and 30% off of those February lows. The NASDAQ right now is up 47, making a positive push here, 49.85, pressing on 5,000 in the NDX, the Tech 100 stock index. Looking at other markets, crude oil pushing higher as well, up at 53.50, up 50 cents, a 1% move. Up above, we've got 55.50 as the major resistance. Now, crude oil has been trading sideways for the month of December between that 55.50 and 50.50, so 52.50 is kind of the midpoint to keep an eye on. But an upside push here sends crude oil, technically, targets $60. Like we talked about, gold maybe forming a base. Right now it's up $7, 11.42, up $8. It did get as high as 11.51, so the highest level it's been in 2 weeks in gold. So not much else happening right now in the currencies. Those are quiet. But to summarize where we are as the cash stock market just gets started, another upside move here. We're up 9 in the E-mini S&P, up 45 in the NASDAQ, and looking at the Dow, right now the Dow's up 40 at 19,973. So that puts us 27 points away from that 20,000 to get that behind us. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.